Well, guy. Locked and loaded, ready to go back. Okay, enough sneezing. I'm sick of it. I'm over it. I'm done with it. Another nice bass. This one's smaller than the last one.